All right, this video is a quick overview of Translation Creator, a SaaS application that lets you translate other applications with AI. I'll show you how to use Translation Creator to translate applications by using it on itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up for the app. Once I'm logged in, Translation Creator will prompt me to create my first project. I'm going to call my project Translation Creator. I'm going to take the primary language as English, and I will add a few other languages. How about Spanish, German, and Japanese. Next, Translation Creator will prompt me to upload a translation file. It's designed for Django applications, so it's telling me to upload my django.po translation file in my project's primary language. Let's go ahead and select that file. And now I'm going to click Upload. So Translation Creator has parsed that file and added 279 translations to the project. Here it's just showing you the English versions. Let's go see what this looks like in the dashboard. So you can see I've added 279 English translations, but don't have anything for German, Spanish, or Japanese. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create those translations, and it's literally just a click of a button. So Translation Creator is churning through our translations, starting with German. And it's going to go through every translation in our application, and then it's going to do the same thing for Spanish and Japanese. I'm going to speed this up so that we don't have to watch the whole thing. All right, so now that's finally done. And we can see that we have now 279 translations in all of the different languages. And we can go ahead and look at these translations. I don't speak Japanese, but hopefully these are pretty good. You can see also that it has preserved links and variable names here. So it's only translating the content and not the variables that we need. We can also go ahead and edit these if we want. You could edit them by hand, or you can auto-translate them, which will redo the translation for you. And yeah, so these translations look pretty good. And now let's show how we can incorporate them into our product. And so I'm going to click this download button here. And what this is going to do is give me a zip file containing all of my translations. You can see there's a locale folder, one folder for each language, and inside each of those folders we have a django.po file. So I'm going to extract that here. And then I'm just going to take this and I'm going to paste it directly over my locale folder in my project. Now I'm going to go to my project folder and I'm going to run make messages. And compile messages. Now, to see the finished product, we can go ahead into our profile and change our language. Let's do Japanese, because that will be the most dramatic. And we can click Save. And you will see now that the entire application is now available in Japanese. And we can go see all our little buttons, and everything else here has been changed. So that is Translation Creator in a nutshell. You can use it to translate your Django apps or anything that supports a PO file format currently, although it would be easy to extend it to other file formats and application frameworks. Hope that was useful.